Namaste and welcome to this course on instructional design. My name is Dr. Anita Priyadarshini. I am Associate Professor at the Staff Training and Research Institute of Distance Education, Indira Gandhi National Open University. I am the Program Coordinator for this course on instructional design, and the course code for this program is MDE 412. Instructional design is one of the most dynamic fields of learning. Instructional design acts as a blueprint to help in understanding and applying the principles of instruction to improve learning. Scholars have called instructional design as the science that links learning theories to educational practices. Instruction is said to comprise activities and processes of learning, developing, implementing, managing, and evaluating instruction. Today, as the world faces the challenge of bringing about equitable quality education, there is renewed recognition of the role and relevance of effective instructional design strategies for achieving learning outcomes and improving the quality of instruction in schools and higher education institutions. A course on instructional design is useful for all. Whether you are a teacher or a trainer, practitioner, working with the community or an NGO, you may be engaged in teaching in a formal school or university, teaching through distance education, or an online teacher, trainer, or a corporate executive. The fact is that learning is taking place at all levels, in all spheres, and therefore it is useful to understand how learning takes place, how instruction is better transacted, so that the gap between learning and instruction is reduced. All these issues can be addressed through this course on instructional design. The learning outcomes of MD 412 on instructional design are to explain the concept of learning and instruction and the implications of theories of learning, to explain the different theories and models of instructional design, to describe various processes involved in designing instruction, to demonstrate instructional design practices in the classroom, open and distance learning, training and e-learning, and also help you to design portfolios. The main areas that would be studied in this course are learning and instruction, foundations of learning, and how the gap between learning and instruction can be reduced to increase quality of education. You will also read about the different theories of learning, behavioralist, cognitivist, constructivist schools of thought. Instructional design models is another topic that we will take up. You will read about the component display theory, elaboration theory, cognitive load theory, and many other theories such as those of the theories of multiple intelligences and design models. Another component of this course is that of instructional design processes, which will help you to make learning effective. These include the ADDI approach. You will study about the characteristics and learning styles of learners and their impact on the design of materials. This course will also help you formulate learning outcomes, design learning resources, and develop effective evaluation strategies. Since teaching learning takes place in different contexts, we will examine the instructional design in practice. So you will learn how to design instruction for the classroom, which is in person, how to write self-instructional materials for the distance learners, designing your training sessions, as well as developing models using multimedia and e-learning. You will also learn about the meaning and purpose of designing portfolios. As regards the course structure, the present course is a 6-credit one with a total of 180 study hours. The course is delivered through the 4-quadrant approach. The design includes 60 video lectures, e-content in the form of self-learning materials, which are written in a personalized and conversational manner and are hence make easy reading. There will also be web links and other resource materials. The course will be interactive with discussion forum, and it will have continuous assessment through different questions and quizzes. As regards the eligibility of the course, a graduate in any discipline may enroll for this program. The duration of the course is 16 weeks. This course is also offered as a part of the Masters in Distance Education program offered by the Indira Gandhi National Open University. We look forward to seeing you in this course.